What's going on, YouTube? Nate with Rough Trading here, coming at you with another daily recap. It is August 16th. It's a Wednesday. Happy Hump Day. Hope everybody has some good trading today. We're coming today with a red day. They happen to the best of us. They happen to all of us, and it's just something that we got to learn from and move on. So, like I was talking about yesterday, we were only about $850 from being funded. The worst part of it is I was there. I got there. But we'll go ahead and dive into this recap a little bit. I'll kind of explain my trades. I got the winners on video, but I ended up taking trades after the fact that I forgot to hit record for. Got chopped up, spit out, and spewed out by the market. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. So right here, this is the day. Like I said, I didn't have any previous recordings. This is just I'll kind of explain where I was, where my entries were at. So the very first trade that I took today was right around 11:30 in the morning. Like I said before, I don't much care for trading market open. It just doesn't seem to work out for me all that often. Sometimes I get it, and sometimes most of the time it just don't work. So right here, I kind of saw this. I had missed this move, this initial move down off of the 15-minute opening range low, and then I saw kind of a little curl back here towards it. I wanted more so to touch it, to actually touch it, at least have a wick or two through it, but we never got there. And then as soon as I saw this bearish engulfing candle, I said, okay, you know what, we'll go ahead and get into it. So right here was about my entry point. It was right here at the 30s. Now again, trading with big size, it's tough. It can be very stressful if you feel like something's not going to go in your direction, and you can lose a lot of money very quickly. This one, I didn't let it ride the full 15 points, which if I had, it would have worked out. I would have gotten my move for the day. I would have been done. It would have been good to go. But at the beginning of this morning, I just wanted to lock it down. So I took it off. I think I took it off for the first trade. I took it off for like a break even, like $200, and then we came back up. We touched 30s again, and I got my re-entry, thinking, okay, you know, it's shown weakness to the downside and whatnot, and kind of the same thing happened. It was bouncing. It bounced a little on this candle too, and before we got into this one where it really flushed down, I had already spooked myself out of the trade. Came out of it for $1,000 in profit. Right there, I would have been done for the day. I would have had the Express Funded account again. It would have been good to go. It's just my mind got the better of me. I wanted another day like I usually do. I wanted my 10 or 15 points. So later on in the day, I came back to kind of looking at it, saw this. We made this little leg up, and then we came back down through that 15-minute low. So I was looking for a short opportunity, and I got one right here, right off of the 20s, just for quick. I wanted to do quick scalp, something like, you know, maybe 3 to 5 points, really fast, really easy. The problem with that is that you tend to overtrade in that sense. I tend to overtrade in that sense, and that's what happened. The first one filled me out. I was up another $1,000. I was over $160,000 in the account balance on the day. Again, it would have been perfect, but it was that deal of I wanted, you know, the $3,000 minimum day, my minimum 10 points. So coming back through, I took 3 more trades, 3 more quick scalps, and none of them went in my direction. The very last one, I said, you know what, I'm already down $1,000 on the day. This is going to be a make or break, either because I had my position set for basically right at $4,500 is what it would have been on the day. I think it was like a 20-point move, and I said, this is either going to stop me out or it's going to rip down and put me back into profit, and it stopped me out. This is just one of those things that goes to show that you don't know what the market's going to do. All you can do is trade your setups. I was not trading my setups. I was trying to trade pure volume. I didn't care which way it went. I just thought I would see, you know, something like a quick sweep down and maybe a retracement. Oh, well, it's going to move a quick sweep down again because the trend is your friend, and we're going into a bearish cycle after a nice little tick up. So, but that's really about all I got for you guys today. We're going to be back tomorrow on Thursday for for just another day. Right now, as you can see, we're 154, almost $155,000 on the account. So 15 points tomorrow. I'll look for better setups, take my time, be patient, be smart, and hopefully come out tomorrow in an express funded account. Thanks you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one.